Would you buy this for $1? Dusting of flour, I would grab that and be all Italian about it, but then it'll go everywhere. And then roll it out.
Trusty rolling pin.
Trusty rolling pin. I've rolled more things with this trusty rolling pin than I, well, use it for its original purpose. Oh, it is so soft.
Lovely.
When you do this recipe, make sure it isn't too dry. It should stay quite wet. And there we go. My mama's pizza. Oh, don't do that.
So our tomato, we're just going to give it a blend. Into our tin of tomatoes, we're going to put garlic and a little bit of salt. Linda didn't do a great job, but we'll pick them out now. Just because it's cheap, it can still be good quality. We're going to let that cook until it goes a beautiful bright red. Oh, that looks beautiful. See that rich red foam? That's good. We'll switch that off and add the last ingredient, a bit of oregano.
That's what makes pizza taste like pizza. I don't have a proper pizza oven, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry the bottom first.
Awesome. In a heavy-based
pan. Get it really hot, and I'll fry that up, and then I'll let you know how it goes.
Ready to
really
be
heavy.
I know, but ready to be popped in the oven, right? We have tried this before, guys. Spoiler alert, it really works well.
So anyway to do it. Because you get the bottom cooked properly.
Unless you do it on your fire.
If you have a proper fire,
the barbecue.
That's the best way. Barbecue, put it on the barbecue first. You gotta stand around so you can keep it from exploding.
It's really gotten puffy, and now it's even puffing more.
Yeah, and we gotta get it cooked a little bit on the bottom first.
Sure.
As you can see, I've got to use the spatula a little bit. Normally it's a lot easier than what's happening here, but I found that I had to do this on this one.
Yeah, but you can have multiple of these on the go on your fire.
On your fire, it works much better on the fire. And I should have just gone and done it with the fire, but you see it's almost cooked on the bottom. Oh, here we go. Done.
One pot cooked pizza.
Ready to go.
Time to get this pizza on the show go. So we've got our beautiful base, we've got our lovely sauce to be made, and we've got our cheese, because this is a New York slice.
New York slice, but a whole New York slice pizza.
Yeah. So we're allowed to use 1/4 of the cheese in our budget. So let's cut that like that. Now, kind of got an idea. To make this look a little bit more like authentic, we're just going to nick the edges off.
So we're not grating it?
No, we're not going to grate it. We're just going to try and make it look more round.
Okay, like a round mozzarella ball.
Yeah. Let's see if this will work out for us. Oh, it's a lovely gooey sticky mozzarella. That's good. It'll give us that kind of a rustic feel a little bit. And we'll add these, don't you worry.
We're not wasting those.
So these we're going to chop. Right. And this one we're going to slice.
So it's like you pulled the mozzarella ball.
Kind of, because they're going to still melt, right?
Yeah, no, of course. Just going to see how many you can get out of it.
I think it'll be plenty, don't you worry. It's going to be amazing.
Oh man, my mouth is watering for a 50 rupee pizza. Under $1 pizza. Remember when New York slices used to be $1?
Let's take that lovely sauce we made.
Oh, it looks so rich.
It smells great.
I don't know if you guys are seeing this colorized or uncolorized, but I'm going to hopefully not colorize it. It looks that rich. Oh, and New York slice is all about the tomato.
Yeah, so we'll get a little bit onto that edge. Color. Remember, this has just been par cooked at the bottom.
Yeah, the top is completely raw.
Yeah. Let's go with our mozzarella. Find it easier to make it even, so that
you can spread out the cheese.
You don't miss a piece. Oh, look at this.
There's loads of cheese. That's a lot more than I was expecting.
Yeah, we can actually add a bit more and shimmy them around a bit. Make sure we get some in the middle.
There's surprisingly a lot of cheese.
Yeah, I have a feeling that those are actually just going to spread.
Yeah, it's going to be just one whole thing. And you're going to sprinkle all that in the gaps.
And we're going to put these little bits. Now at this point, you could, because we're trying to sell this for $1, you could now, if you're selling it for a little bit more, you could add other things.
Yeah, for sure.
Optional extras.
Chuck it on top, like onion and...
pepperoni and...
chicken and anything, but this is under $1 sell price.
Let's get that onto the baking tray and into the oven.
Because it is New York.
Yeah, if you just put a couple of a little bit of extra bits of... Because the cheese is going to get bubbly and gorgeous, and you just want... You want that extra tomato to come through. So put like some
dots in.
Some patches. It's delicious, trust me. Oh, man.
Yeah. Tomato everywhere. Stop it sticking.
Well... Wow, that looks absolutely perfect.
It really does.
I can't wait.
Oh, man.
Little spring onion. Or you could put basil leaves.
But spring onion's cheaper, and we're trying to keep it...
At the moment, yeah. But basil is really easy to grow.
Oh, if you got your own basil, for sure.
Yeah. Top tip.
But then it becomes a more a margarita.
Oh, exactly. Perfect.
The oven is on quite hot. And we're going to put it up quite high up.
Like a salamander.
Like a salamander. Salamander would be best. There's chicken. Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks great.
Oh, man, look at that. You think it's all right?
I think it's perfect.
Oh, I think so as well.
Pizza time.
Pizza time. Now, it's technically a New York slice, so I should slice it, right?
Yeah.
Get in close. Let's get some slicing done. I'm just going to do it into quarters.
Oh, that sounds proper.
It does. Shall I sprinkle some of this green stuff on? Okay, not the world's best sprinkler, but man, it looks Italian because of the red, white, and green.
Absolutely. You keep missing that one slice. Show.
Would you buy this for $1? That's right, New York slice for $1. Finally back for $1. Oh man. Oh, there's cheese pull. It's pulling the cheese.
Oh, no way.
I didn't expect that.
Oh, man.
Cheese ball. Oh man. Oh, that's a good pizza. That tomato is so good. And the crust.
Yeah, no, it's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, oh man. Gimme.
Yeah, Rick, try some.
Go back on that pizza.
Give it a go, Rick.
It's like, it's a bit thin, right? It's got that nice gooey layer that you love, right? That pizza layer, and then a proper, like, bready base. That's like pizza. That's really good.
It's like a proper New York slice.
Oh, I'd eat that.
So this pizza actually cost 50 cents, 50 US cents to make. 50 cents, that means 100% profit on selling this New York slice.
Wow.
And it tastes so good. Cheers, everyone.